Almost 25,000 people watched me make this. So I came back. Same recipe, better ganache, and a technique I haven't seen anyone else use. Italian method and white chocolate Mora ganache. Let's go! Most macaron tutorials teach you the French method. I don't. The Italian method uses hot sugar syrup to cook the meringue as it whips, and the result is a shell that's more stable, more forgiving, and has that signature smooth dome. It's worth the extra step, I promise. 150 grams of sugar, 38 ml of water, and 1 drop of color. That goes on the heat. At 118 degrees Celsius, I start whipping my egg whites. At 120 to 121, not a degree more, I pour it in slowly while the mixer runs. Then I whip until the bowl reaches 39 degrees, about 4 to 4.5 minutes. And then I watch it transform into something glossy and stiff and beautiful. Here's where I do something different. Most bakers make a paste first, mixing the egg whites into the almond flour until it forms a stiff ball. I skip that entirely. I pour the egg whites straight in. Same result, less fuss. Now the part people get wrong. Half the meringue goes in first, and you mix. Not fold, mix. You're deliberately deflating it. Then the second half goes in, and you work it until the batter flows like lava and falls off the spatula in a thick ribbon. And now watch this. This is where it happens. When it flows like this, you're ready. And now pipe, tap the tray, and let them rest 5 to 7 minutes. I preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, then lower it to 310 and slide the tray in. 20 minutes in my oven and don't open it. And 20 minutes later, this magic slide. Now the filling, and this one is personal. White chocolate, heavy cream, Mora puree, glucose syrup, brought to a gentle boil. Then blend it with an immersion blender until it's completely smooth. Mora is a blackberry native to Ecuador, and when I'm there, I have access to things I simply cannot find anywhere else. Mora, maracuya, mango, fresh, ripe, and at my door. This recipe is one of the reasons I'm grateful for that. Blend and wait 5 minutes, just 5, and add 145 grams of cream cheese. My own touch. Blend again to emulsify, and it becomes this incredibly silky, tangy, fruity ganache that pairs perfectly with the shell. Cling wrap it directly on the surface and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until it's pipeable. Once filled, they go back in the fridge for 24 hours. That rest is not optional. It's where the magic finishes. They'll keep 3 days in the fridge, and if you somehow still have them after that, freeze them for up to a month. And if this video made you smile, you know what to do. Subscribe and I'll keep them coming. Thank you for watching.